Hello everyone, myself Rahul Rajput. Today's date on 31 January 2022. Today's video topic name is OOPS, Object Oriented Programming. OOPS meaning Object Oriented Programming is a popularly known and widely used concept in modern programming language like Java. list list of OOPS concept in Java with example. The following are general OOPS concept in Java. First of one is class. The class is one of the basic concepts which is a group of similar entities. It is only a logical component and the physical entity. Let's understand this one of the OOPS concepts with example. If you had a class called expensive cars, it could have objects like Mercedes, BMW, Toyota, etc. Properties. Data can be traced on speed of these cars, while the method may be performed with these cars are driving, reverse braking, etc. Second one is object. An object can be defined as an instance of a class, and there can be multiple instances of a class in a program. An object is one of the Java OOPS concept which contains both the data and the function which operators on the data. For example, chair, bike, marker, pen, table, car, etc. Third one is inheritance. Inheritance is one of the basic concept of OOPS in which one object acquires the properties and behavior of the parent object. It offers robust and 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 polymorphism for organization and structure of any software. Fourth one is polymorphism. Polymorphism refers to one of the OOPS concept in Java, which is the ability of a variable, object, or functions to take and multiple forms. 5. Abstraction. Abstraction is one of the loop concept in Java, which is an act of representing essential features without including background details. Sixth one is encapsulation. Encapsulation is one of the best Java OOPS concept of wrapping the data and code. For example, in school, a student cannot exist without a class. Thank you.